Hey friends, it's Quenby, Grateful Queen here on YouTube, and today I have a video that I've been wanting to make for so long. I've talked with many of you in the comments about this, but I'm finally doing it today. This is a video about what's sold from Target brands. I've said before, I am not afraid to pick up Target brands. I personally am comfortable in my business selling things in the $15 to $20 range. And Target makes some really cute and current styles and fashions, and people know Target brands, so they're often looking for them. So this is going to be a short video about what items that are Target brands that have sold for me. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller. I buy things at thrift stores and yard sales. I do a little retail arbitrage. I buy some mystery boxes. I buy all these things so that I can turn around and resell them online for profit. I've been selling on eBay for 8 years and Poshmark for 2 years, and I really love it. And this channel is all about my journey of reselling. And I'm always hoping this channel might inspire somebody to consider reselling, or maybe even just shop more secondhand at thrift stores and things. I love it. I love working from home. I like running my own business and being my own boss. So I hope you'll join us. Our community is really growing on this channel, and I'm so thankful for that. Thank you for joining us. I hope you leave a comment and like the video and subscribe and join our community here. So now let's get into this. I'm going to pop up pictures here of items that I've sold. This is not everything I've sold. I'm just going to try and highlight a few different items in the past few months that have sold for me and show you a handful of the different brands that are sold at Target. This is not all inclusive, but I just want to give you an idea that if you're a seller that's comfortable selling things in the $15 to $20 range, you might consider picking up some of these Target brands, especially if you're a Poshmark seller and you like the idea of your customer bundling. In that case, it's sometimes good to have a handful of lower priced items in your closet so that somebody might bundle that Target sweater for $10 and $15 with another item that might be a little more expensive. So just something to think about there. Okay, so this first item I'm going to talk about is a sweater. Yes, I actually modeled this one. I do some experimenting in my business all the time. I've done some experimenting with modeling on Poshmark. Do you guys model, and what do you think of that whole thing? Some people think that if you model your items, so you try them on yourself and take your photos and post you with the item on, it's called modeling. Some people think that items sell better if they're modeled. I don't have an experience with that to report. Like, I don't know whether the items that I personally model sell for more or sell better, but a lot of people do think that. So anyway, I modeled this sweater. The brand on this is Goodfellow. I really like the stuff they're making from this brand. It's really stylish, especially the men's. They've got some really great men's styles in this Goodfellow brand. This was a size XL. It sold for $20 on Posh, plus the buyer paid $7 for shipping and tax. So this person paid rough 27 plus tax, so like $30 for a sweater from Target. And my guess is this probably retailed at Target when it was new for like between $30 and $40. It's not super cheap there. I mean, it's reasonably priced, but anyway, I called this a grandpa sweater, so like a big oversized cardigan. I just loved it. I got it for like $3 at a half off sale, so $3 to $20 plus they paid shipping and all that. Perfectly good flip. I love that brand, Goodfellow. Okay, this next item is also a sweater. So I'm filming this in March 2020, and these are things that sold like in the last few months. So some of these are like winter, but there are some spring items. Things sell for me all year round. This was another sweater by a brand called Mossimo from Target. You've probably seen it. I loved this sweater. I bought it for style because it was bright yellow, kind of a nubby open front cardigan, and it was a 2X. So you know, if I see a really cute plus size style, I'm probably picking it up. And again, this sold for $20. This one sold on eBay though. So $20 for a pre-owned sweater from Target. I love that. Okay, this next one I really like. Gosh, I really like all these Target brands. To be totally transparent with you guys, often when I'm at the thrift store and I'm flipping through, I'm like, oh, I love this. Oh, that's a Target brand. Flip, flip, flip. Oh, I love this top. Oh, it's a Target brand. Like, I love the styles. They do really current, cool styles there. So anyway, if I think so, I bet a lot of other people love the Target stuff too. This was a denim jacket. It was a black distressed denim jacket. It was like a cropped length with like intentional fray and distress. And the brand on this one was Wild Fable. It sold for $18 on Poshmark, and the buyer paid $7 plus tax. So again, people are paying that much money. What's that? 18, 19, 23, about $25 for a pre-owned denim jacket from Target. Okay, just saying. Okay, this next sale was an Exhilaration. That's another really popular, common brand, Exhilaration, at Target. And this was a jumpsuit. And I remember exactly when and where I got this. It was yard sale season last year. And I went to the best yard sale with this mom and daughter, and they both had like storage units next to each other. And they had all this, like, tons of clothes and shoes. They said they just shopped too much. And I bought several. For $3, I bought, got an itch. For $3 each, I bought some Exhilaration Nude Tags jumpsuits. So this one was a size XL. They paid $27.99 to me on eBay for this Exhilaration jumpsuit. It was a really popular style, and XL is a great size, you guys. So I was like $3, and they paid $27.99, my full asking price for the jumpsuit on eBay. The next brand where I've sold some things, and actually both of these sold for good price, so take note of this. These next pair of pants were from the brand Champion. Champion is a fitness athletic brand sold at Target. I bought these because they were a high-rise skinny legging, and that's something that people are looking for. They need that staple piece that they can wear again and again to go work out. These were high-rise skinny leggings, and they had that cool cell phone pocket that people like. These sold for my full asking price on eBay of $19.99. And then this next one is also Champion. So this is from a while back. I got both these things at the Goodwill Outlet bins, where you go and dig through big bins of Goodwill Outlet stuff and you pay by the pound. Mine are $1.79 a pound. I have not been to my bins in a long time. I'm working up to it. This topic came up recently in one of my live shows where I was like, I know I need to keep my cost of goods down, because my thrift stores, you guys, in Northern California are really great thrift stores. I have a lot of them. I'm so grateful for that, but they're so pricey. So if I want to keep my cost of goods down in my business, I have to find ways to get items cheaper, and the one way to do that is going to the bins. I love and support everyone who goes to the bins. It's really smart business. All the bins are different though, and my bins in my particular city of Santa Rosa are really grungy. They're in an old warehouse. It's kind of a rough spot. I don't enjoy shopping there as much as I do thrift stores. That's just my own personal experience and opinion. I don't love it, but I am going to go back. So it's in the works. I'm starting to plan it. You guys can hold me accountable. In the next couple months, I'm going to do a Goodwill Outlet bins shop again. I'll try maybe to get some footage in there, you guys, and try to maybe share with you a little bit about my bins so you can see why I don't love it. I love and support whatever you do in your business. This is what I'm doing in my business right now.
Yeah, hello. You right there. You gotta punch that subscribe button like this. Boom! Like, no, don't punch it like that. Punch it like this. Boom! Yeah, you gotta. And don't forget to like and turn on the notifications like you need to.
This was another lot. I just lotted these two items together. It was a pair of Champion pants from Target and a sports bra, again, size XL. You notice a trend here? XL sells really well for me. I'll sometimes buy pieces that I wouldn't normally consider if they're an XL. So it's a great size. People need it. People are looking for it. So I lotted these two items together. So for the cropped pants and the bra, they paid $24.99 on eBay, my full asking price. Thank you, Target. Plugging right along, but I do want to ask you guys, what do you think? Do you pick up Target brands or things similar to Target, like Old Navy? I could do a whole video, you guys, on things that have sold from Old Navy or Forever 21. I don't pick up a lot of Forever 20 anymore because it's not a big seller, but I've sold things in the same probably $10 to $20 range. So what's your experience with it? Leave us a comment, let us know so we can learn from you. Okay, this next sale, okay, again, this is another one of those exhilaration jumpsuits, size XL, mustard color, really nice piece, but they paid my full asking price of $25.99 for a jumpsuit from Target. So, okay, and this next one is only sold for $13, so a little bit lower sale, but I picked this up at the bins. It weighed like 4 ounces, so it shipped out really cheap for like $3, and I probably paid 50 cents for it is my guess, but it sold for $13 on eBay. Again, size XL, so there's definitely a theme here. So maybe if you're considering Target, consider it more if it's a size XL or something. This was a leopard top. I'm filming this again February. No, it's March now, 2020. Leopard is still really popular, but this sold for I think I had it up for like 15 and someone offered me 13 and I'm like, sure, no problem. So those are a number of my sales in the last few months, not all of them, that come from Target brands. So what do you guys think? Are you going to consider Target brands? What are the benefits of maybe having some lower end Target type items in your store or closet? I'd love to hear from you in the comments, so please leave one. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you guys maybe at my live video at 5 on Friday. You can go to my channel under videos and set a reminder, you know. I'm just sharing that because I just learned that myself, and there are other people on YouTube doing lives that I want to make sure I catch, so I set a little reminder so when the person goes live, it pops up on my phone so I don't miss it. So you could do that. Maybe I'll see you in my live, or else I'll see you in the next video. I really appreciate you watching, guys. Bye.
Oh, Jerry, you must subscribe to Grateful Queen. It's so amazing. I'm going to go subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay, they're on. Did you do a thumbs up? Yes, I did a thumbs up. Wait, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications and like.